Hey, what's up, guys? This is Pro Wolf Trader, and you're watching live stream in New York session. And the time over here, local US UTC +5 is 6:32 p.m. We are live in New York session. It's been almost 32 minutes since New York open, and we're gonna make profit just like we always do. Back to pack profits, baby, just like we previously did on Friday and this today on London session, and right now too. Let's quickly dive into what do we have in front of our eyes. So as you can clearly see, on Friday we were on short from 26.95. We carried that short. Today we also took a little buy opportunity somewhere around 26 what do you call 26 below 2660 area, sorry, 2670 area, where price went up what do you say, above 2685, and we took minor profits over here on the sideway range. But afterwards, the trades that we were carrying from Friday, short from 2680, sorry, 2694, 95, some people opened it at 2689. They took their profits around this area, around 2665, 2666 till 2668. Now this zone is a really tight zone. You can enter a long on this area. If you enter a buy on this zone, you will most likely end up being profitable. Let me wake up the neighborhood. Since everything is melting, we need to keep an eye on VIX and dollar index for further direction. Guys, it's a bit laggy over here, so bear with me. For further clarification, we will stick with our plan, with our trade plan, and let's see how far it goes. If you have any questions, you can ask me up, and all the details regarding premiums, signal group, regarding the 6 batch, copy trading which is coming soon, and Pro Wolf Trader Discord Alpha, the details are given on Telegram group, and I will make them public too. I'm building up website, so you guys don't have any issue what is happening over here. Okay, so please like the stream and subscribe the channel if you are new. And so since we have no high impact news today, let's talk about little bit about Bitcoin, because this is what we were talking about during London session, that it is dropping down, and if this thing has the potential to drop down below, we have 2k liquidity sitting over here which it touched and now it's heading back up. Now this can be a retest, a retracement, a rejection, whatever you wanna call it, but as long as the daily is sitting below it, it's a danger zone. If the price action, the new fresh 24-hour candle decides to open up and start dropping, is gonna be a hellfire. Plus you need to keep an eye on volatility index. If you don't know what volatility index is, which is called VIX for short, you are in a trouble. This thing is already above 20. Already above 20 means that stock market is gonna drop. So if stock market is dropping, that means crypto is dropping, and if crypto is dropping, that means The entire market is in a sell panic zones. And if you think that anything can stop gold from dropping, no, gold will further drop more. So still I'm saying I'm on a small buy over here with a tight stop loss. So yeah, even if it is my stop loss, all right, because I already made profits. I already took profits. So this is the area where you should be concerned about. Today I'm only gonna be trading stock S&P 500, Nasdaq 100, US 30, gold and Bitcoin. But as for now, for the sake of a stream will just be limited to gold and Bitcoin, whereas S&P 500, Nasdaq 100 will be available to premium subscribers. And I have announced new packages for premium subscriptions for people who could not afford monthly. I have introduced 1 week and 2 week premium subscription membership with add-on features and additional perks. So I will be making that public tonight. But as for now, the details are given in the Telegram community. So make sure to check it out. And if you want to see the details, you can also go on the Discord and check them out. Okay, so here we are again. Let's do this. Oh, there are people watching. Welcome to the stream. Hit the like button, guys. What are you doing? Like the button. The New York session just started. It's been 42 minutes. We still have a stock exchange to open, and it seems like we are in for a ride today. So make sure to like, subscribe, and share the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated whenever I go live. I want 400 subscribers till the end of this week and around 1000 subscribers till the end of this month. Let's grow the wolf pack and become profitable together. We already took profit on trades running from Friday, which I told you guys to open during New York session. If you guys were here and watching and took that trade before the closure of New York session from above 2695 or around 2695, but now right now talking about the present, we are sitting at 2665 and we are possibly getting a rejection from this area because this is the exact same area where on 10th January when the NFP got released, it dropped down till this area and we saw a pullback. So this area is there where we got the rejection from the NFP data. So similar case can happen even if it drops down below that. It will go back up. My sentiment regarding gold has changed because Donald Trump has been talking about an invasion in Canada and invasion in Mexico. So possibly he has created more uncertainty in the market, and when there is increased uncertainty, of course people go towards, and inflation is increasing at the same time. So people are moving towards riskier assets to hedge against inflation. Because it seems more logical to do that. Nevertheless, nobody can stop you guys from making profit. Four people are watching, 2 likes. I don't know who you are. I need guys active on the chat too. Come on, guys, what's your position? How many trades are you guys running? Are you buying gold? Are you buying Bitcoin? Also, looking at what do you call Bitcoin. Bitcoin is basically, I'm waiting for Bitcoin to close above this area. Why? Because the 24-hour day one candle, I mean, is has crossed below this area. So most likely if it closes below this and new fresh 24-hour candle, if it opens up below this area and it goes up, does a little pullback, starts dropping, this thing is gonna then drop straight towards 85, and after that it's gonna, in short, 80,000 is what you call 80,000 is the next target, the oversight. So there are big profits to be made, but all that lies on this zone if it's able to break past this zone. Hit the like button, guys. Give me 2 minutes. I'll go bring my tea and then we can carry on. Till then, if you have any questions, write down in the YouTube. Guys on the premium groups, start sending me your questions, and I already have sent you guys signals. Yes. So you will be start entering. What's up, what's up, what's up? Robert Pollard. Hey, what's up, man? Hey, what's up, Robert? Roberto. Are you Roberto? We have a meeting, Rob. Don't forget that. Because life is passing by. It's important time. We need to sit down. Look at net gas, bro. Holy shit, net gas. Holy shit. To the moon, brother. I'm still holding actually. It's gonna the thing is that nobody what the fuck? What the fuck just happened over here? No. Oh fuck, it closed. I'll open it later. This thing is gonna fill the gap and then it's gonna start shooting up. It's fucking crazy, man. But anyways, natural gas is like on steroids, you know? It's like steroids. Steroids, brother, steroids. When it does its thing, it absolutely drives me nuts, man. But I love it. But anyways, everything seems fine. We have a pullback on gold. Gold is giving us a pullback, but my eyes is on the digital gold. If you have any questions, guys, ask me up. The man, the legend itself, Rob Paul. If you don't know who Rob Paul is, he's the guy behind the news on net gas. All the ideas that he posts help hundreds of traders out there. And believe me, if you are somebody who likes trading energies and need information, this is the guy for you. Day one, yeah, this is what I was talking about. Day one. If we have a if this thing is able to pull back above 92, somewhere in between 92 and 93, and the next day, I mean Tuesday, day one candle starts, does a drop and pull back up, then it's safe. But if this thing falls down below, then next target is 80k. 80k is the next destination. And even gold right now, if you look at gold, yeah, let's talk about gold. This is gold. I didn't do a analysis. I was about to upload a weekly analysis video, but I was too tired. Yeah, I become too tired. I was like, I worked so hard. I did everything at a time. I say by the time I will upload it, people will watch it. It's better when I'm live streaming, I'll explain it to them because you guys miss out a lot. You guys don't watch the weekly analysis, which I was previously posting. Hardly get 30-40 views, so stop posting. Okay. After 1 minute, I'm gonna start the weekly analysis on gold. So till then, hold on to your horses. Okay guys, so here I'm back. So let's talk about the gold analysis. I need you guys fully attentive over here. First of all, let me also post it up. Mhm. Okay guys, I need you guys here now. Just waiting for those people who are not here so I can begin my gold analysis and keep this in record. The stuff that I'm talking over here is my hard work, so please don't waste it. Please put it in good use. Okay, try to understand it from an educational point of view because this is educational content. Okay, so try not to rush anything. Make your financial decisions based on evidence, not on pure emotions. Okay, so in the name of Almighty, let's begin the gold weekly analysis dated 13 January up till Friday, which is 17th. 13th and 17th January gold analysis. All right, so let's do this. So right in front of you, this is a daily time frame. Okay, previously we saw gold in a sideways trend. Okay, exactly when gold was nearest when it peaked, made an all-time high around 2800. To be precise, is 2791, 2792. We showed a rejection. Okay, this was around the first rate cut. The first rate cut happened in November. As soon as we got first rate cut, it dropped down. Then afterwards, it dropped down till this current trend line, which is visible on day one, and it holded it off. And they showed that gold is still in an uptrend, in a bullish trend, and as long as is holding this trend line, gold is in a bullish trend. And earlier off, it went up, and previous what do you call the double the head and shoulder over here, it's acting like a support area. 2720 was key psychological area which needs to break in order to gold to move above. But what we saw earlier on was Fed, Powell, election, everything that was happening. So it pushed the gold prices in a sideways range, and it was quite clear that until we enter into January, until election, when elections are over, January starts, new president, whoever wins, Biden and Trump at that time, then gold will decide. Gold, according to when we will be moving from data to data, then it will be decided where gold is headed, because Goldman Sachs and how would you say, Bank of America, everybody, their analysts were saying that they're seeing gold at around 3000. Now, after Trump won and after the rate cut and the kind of data we are getting, Fed is basically, Fed Dallas saying that they are ready to raise rates if inflation breaks out again. Why? Because Fed is ignoring inflation. Their target is labor market. They want to full employment rate. And this is why inflation is increasing and is continuing to increase. And even in Trump era, Trump right now came with tariffs. He's putting tariffs on China, Mexico, Canada, and a bunch of other countries. Okay, he even talked about doing a invasion in Canada and in Mexico, and renaming Mexico, Gulf of Mexico, to Gulf of America. Now this is new kind of problem he's creating, geopolitical tension. Nobody was expecting him to do this sort of crazy thing. Everybody was expecting him to come and stop the war in Ukraine, Russia, stop the war in Middle East. But he's about. It looks like that he's about to start war on new fronts. He will close it but open on new fronts. Anyways, everything was all time high. Stocks were all time high. Gold was all time high. Bitcoin was all time high. And Fed just kept on ignoring inflation and cutting on rates. When rate cut, what is not needed, when stock market is all time high, gold is all time high, Bitcoin is all time high, you don't need to cut rates. You need either to pause them or you need to hike them. But it looked like they were just blunt. They didn't even knew what, they didn't expect market to make a move like that, or they were either ignoring. Because whatever, if I remember correctly, back 2-3 years ago when the first rate cut happened, at that time it was told to us by our seniors that we are getting rate hike, okay, so there's going to be rate cut, so start preparing for rate cut. And then the next thing was that it kept on going up. The war in Middle East just pushed the gold prices up and kept the prices up. Everybody was determined that okay, what's going to happen. As soon as we saw that okay, what's the first rate cut going to be, it was 50 base, second base cut 25, boom, it's over. It started dropping. November monthly candle closed in bearish. December monthly candle closed in bearish. Now we are into January, and I said that there are reasons that the first 15 days of the month we see the bullish momentum, and the last remaining 15 days we see a retracement. Now we have to go into what's gonna happen, because today is 13 January, right? As soon as 15 January is over, the first 15 days are finished, okay? So the next 15 days, what do we have? We have Donald Trump inauguration on 20th, okay? And then we have FOMC on 20th, 29th. So keep that in your mind, and I carry on with the analysis. Now this area around 2700 is a key psychological area, resistance area, in between 27 to 2720. If gold is able to break above this zone, we will likely see upward momentum. But in this case, in today's sense, we have lots of areas. First of all, we are in an upward trend on a day 1 time frame, even on a 4-hourly time frame. Besides that, there is an uptrend, and there is a sideway. This was a sideway range, and then this is an upward. Plus we have a really, what do you call, all-time high to key psychological area to current 13 Jan intraday price. So this is what this is. Today is really crucial. Why? Because over here this is all-time high, this is previous key psychological area, plus today intraday high, and after seeing a rejection, it looks like that it might make a this might be the higher low, and it might break above this zone. If gold is able to break above this zone, which is around 2795, 98, then we might enter into 27. As soon as 2700 is observed, wait for FOMO buying, okay? Traders, as soon as the FOMO buying starts happening around 2720, just on the pullback, buy over here, and till it reaches over here. This can happen this week, most likely after London close today, or might be tomorrow during London session. Keep that in mind. Why? And yeah, let's also talk about last Friday NFP data, so it's more clear. Last Friday we saw that we got extremely high strong data, okay, and there was no landing. Yields increased, 5-year yields increased, 30-year bond yields increase, okay, even the 10-year and the 5-year, that is nearly around 5% to 3% and 4%, somewhere around here. And all the data that we are getting for the past few weeks, CPI, PPI, PCE, GDP, everything is high. Even inflation is high. Now moving from day 1 to 4-hour time frame. Okay. As of now, I already made it clear that Trump is planning Canada plus Mexico invasion. That means panic, that means gold buying. Plus, on intraday, we were already at a overbought zone. This is most likely during Tokyo session. So that's why you are seeing a correction. Keep that in your mind. Make a trend line around here like this. All right. Now, this was around last time FOMC meeting. Okay, last FOMC meeting which happened in December. So before that, we saw that China stimulus sent gold up. Even the entire data that was coming was bearish for gold, but gold was just on an uptrend. Why? Because of FOMO buying. And just 1 week before, on Friday when the market closed, okay, right in between Thursday and Friday, Thursday and Friday, okay, we saw a dump. Why? Because the next week it was FOMC, right? FOMC week. So pre-FOMC it started dropping and it dropped on PPI. As soon as we received PPI on Thursday, it dropped down. Now tomorrow we are also about to receive PPI. So there is lots of concern that okay, it might be the drop. But my question is that if this was the PPI dropped, we would be sitting somewhere around 26.38, but we are not. So it might be an inverse case, but it can also mean as long as it doesn't drop below 26.50, we can say that okay, this is not a dump, because it's still holding on to this trend line over here. See this trend line? Still holding on. I did nothing. I just made this trend line. Even if I draw this trend line till here, till this hairline, you can see a possible rejection coming up from around this area, because this is also a key zone, Fibonacci zone 0.382. You guys can go see my last weekly analysis about 2 weeks ago, where I was mentioning people, traders, to carry their risk management towards 2663 and 2693. Why? Because this was intraday TP zone if they wanted to make profits, and everybody who listened to my advice, which was nearly 15 to 13% of the people who actually watched my stream, they made profits. Okay, so if this is clear, let's move on to our very next chapter, which is elite wave pattern. Now if you are somebody who loves elite wave, okay, who loves reading about elite wave, he knows how important his work is for us. Okay, now I follow elite wave for direction, all right, but I also keep that in my mind that okay, what if gold continues to break above this zone, then it means that this is still the continuation of the fifth wave. Yes, it might sound really weird, but it is what it is. And this is, by the way, this is 1 hour time frame. If this price breaks above this area, which is around 2681, and continues moving upward, that means this is still the fifth impulse wave. Okay, so we have to be really careful. Going back to previously 4 hour time frame, as you can clearly see, this we are getting rejection from this area, and if we keep on getting rejection from this area, it might reach above 2720, which is also a key psychological area. So I'm seeing gold going up. Gold will drop. It's not like it's not going to drop. It will drop, but CPI is due on Wednesday, and gold still has potential that it keeps on moving above, liquidating the sellers because they are heavily selling around this area. So you can buy around the pullbacks, take your profits till 27-26, wait for the CPI. I'll be here live streaming. So the first scenario is that on every rejection we buy and we take the profits on intraday and walk away. If you want to hold the trades, then it's up to you. We are already holding, the guys on the premium are already holding trades since December, what do you say, the last week of the December. So even the first week of January. So we are very well prepared. So those of you who are subscribers and who are not part of the premium, they are watching this stream, I'm saying to you again, don't hold the trades around this area, okay? If you would have hold those trades below 26.14.17, then it would be a nice entry area, but currently above 26.50, please don't hold any swing or long trades. Just at the end of the New York session, close your trades and walk away from the market, okay? Don't let the market take back your profits. I hope this is clear. Hit the like button. Anyways, this I see gold above 27.32. Already my intraday scalp targets have been hit. And this was weekly analysis of gold, and currently let's head back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as clearly visible, is not showing any rejection, is still moving downwards. So a very dear friend of mine who is a fellow trader, and he's somebody on a whole another level, he just informed me that Bitcoin is heading towards a TK range, which is also my target zone, key target zone where I want to take my profit, which I earlier described. 85, in between 85 to 80 is my TP area. I took my profits over here. I closed my trade around 91. I didn't try to be greedy. Although it was dropping down, but I deemed what do you say? Equities, future, fall, bond. So I took my profits over here. Because that was the most logical thing to do. Because you don't want to be holding any trades. You make pips, you grab pips, and you just run away. Thank you for the hearts. Gold is going up. Now what do you guys want? Gold or Bitcoin? I'm possibly let's stay on. Let's stay on. Stay over here. Bitcoin. Because gold I already know gold is moving up. Let's do this. Actually, people who trade. This is if you are watching this stream, okay? This is daily Fibonacci, okay? I don't know. Do whatever you want. This is the best buy area. Okay? Put wherever your stop loss you wanna be, wherever TP, but this is the best possible area you can get a buy. Okay? So this is the least I can do. The hint I can give you. All right. So now it seems like Bitcoin is trying to make a comeback. Bitcoin is trying to make a comeback. Crude oil is dropping. Bravo. It's so peaceful over here. Let's go back to Bitcoin. I'm still waiting for the Bitcoin. 4 hourly needs to close bullish, otherwise the problem. 4 hourly need to close above 92,000 because we are in the danger zone after all. This is the danger zone, 90,000. Danger zone, baby, danger zone. This is the danger zone. Come on, guys. The thing is that when this drop happened, there was no bullish divergence. There is no bullish divergence. So this is why Bitcoin is bothering me. Because there is no bullish divergence. And if you open up any scanner, market scanner, the entire thing is red. S&P 500 is down by 0.1 negative 91 points. Nasdaq is negative 333. US 30 is somewhere around 700. And VIX was above 20, now it's sitting at 19. And the entire US equity sector is bleeding red. The healthcare is red, utilities is red, material industries is red. Let me just open, hold on a second, let me show you why I think that Bitcoin can go towards 85 and why my friend thinks is like heading towards 80. Where is that thing? Here it is. Okay, this is the reason. You see this? This is, I just took a screenshot right now. The entire damn stock market, Nvidia is negative 3. Apple is negative 2.41. Amazon bleeding red. Tesla is about to go negative. Meta is a little bit profit but is about to. Google is in negative. Holy shit. Probably here, somewhere here, you will also find MicroStrategy, MSTR. So when the entire market is bleeding red, stock market I mean, S&P 500 I mean, the tech 100, then this thing will also go down until and unless they try to do a comeback. Gold just need one slightly bit of help. Bitcoin needs some help from the crypto boys. If Bitcoin is not able to break about 93,000, then it might be a problem. But we have a side, we, as long as there is volume, we can make profit. And as long as we can make profit, we can walk away on intraday with profits. There is this thing called that take what the market gives you. Don't fight the market. Don't open a trade and I say I will close it above 2700. No, if it's closing somewhere around 2695, just take the profit, walk away. If it's giving you scalp, take it. Give you long swing, take it. If and it in an area like this where you have to make that financial decision based on the data you are receiving, that the kind of information that you are getting right now, if you put everything, there is a fire in LA, the stock markets are bleeding. Why is bleeding? Because of the current scenario. Everybody is in a panic mood. You have to know what's moving the market cannot rally all the time. Everybody knows that, right? I've been waiting recession for more than 2-3 years. But where is recession? Nowhere to be found. We saw a little bit glimpse of it on 4th August. When on Friday after NFP BOJ intervened, rate hiked, and we saw $2.9 trillion dump. And on Monday open Tokyo session, we saw $1 trillion dump. And then soon Fed announced an emergency meeting, after which the market is stopped from this dropping frenzy. Otherwise, it was dropping so fast, it removed all the gains that were achieved in 8-9 months. It removed them within a few hours. So the sell is really fast, and I have seen some people become millionaire by shorting, by selling. You make more money on selling, but you need to do it with a stop loss, because if you get caught up on the wrong side, you will bleed like a motherfucker. And you're like, and if you're bleeding in the ocean, the shark's gonna come for you. And then you exactly know what's gonna happen. So the only way to protect your equity is keep your trade psychology positive. Don't let anything affect your trade mind. If you're not feeling good, turn off your computer, turn off your mobile phone and walk away. Go outside, go on a walk, change your mood. When your mood is changed, when you're feeling fine, don't trade for 2 days. If you hit a stop loss, okay? But if you're consistently hitting a stop losses and your mind is getting fucked, don't even come anywhere near any electronic device that have any trading software for at least 2 days. Just consider yourself as a sick individual. So you need to avoid a certain thing. Then when your mind is in its right place and you can see what you did was wrong, and always write your bad habits. Write down your bad habit, what you did. Write it down and write it down in a diary, physical diary, so you know exactly where you fucked up. And carry that diary around with you all the time. That's the only way to come out of this poor trade psychology. It's not you, it's your trade psychology. Trading mindset. Get it right and everything will be right. Then you will start seeing the numbers added up in your equity. Then you will start seeing those green digits, profits adding up. It's not you, it's your trade psychology. It's not your trading setup, it's your trade psychology. I know dozens of people, they get in a buy, they get in a sell, it's in profit, but they do something wrong. They either hold the trade too long, or they open it at the wrong time or at the wrong market session. You need to understand that in Tokyo session yen pairs are more volatile. In London session, GBP USD GBP JPY is traded more. In New York session, Euro USD is traded more, because every market has a certain spread and a certain volume, and it is treated in a different way. Mostly around the best day to trade is open trade is Tuesday. Why? Because when market opens on Monday, it's usually trying to retrace or retest previous areas. Let's just say in today's case, the if you look at, if let's talk about gold with an example. In today's case, this area on 1 hourly, this is last Friday's low. This is last Friday when we got NFP and it dropped. We took our profit and then it did a pullback, went up. This is, so Monday is usually retesting those areas, and you need to open your trades around those zones. And most likely you will 60 to 70% of the time you will see a retracement, but 30% of the time you will see a rejection. Rejection, I mean that it doesn't retrace, it just drops down. So you can always consider the odds and statistics. But since gold is bullish, we have a trend line, it has potential to move further up. Why? Several scenarios, several. Already discussed about them. Alright, this is the third wave. If this is the third wave and it goes up, we will take our profit somewhere around 2685 or 90. It can even go up, or if it goes completely above, then this will be the continuation of the fifth wave. Keep that in your mind. Now coming back to our Fibonacci. Hold on a second, I need to read something important. Global stocks fell further on Monday, weighted down by declining bets on Fed's reserve interest rate cut and a new oil price spike that threatens inflation. Of course, people couldn't see it. Because when oil prices go up, inflation goes up. I saw that coming. I saw that coming. When oil goes up, it creates lots of problems. The stock market is about to open in 1 minute and the imbalance will start kicking. Let's go to 5 minutes and see what's gonna happen. If the MicroStrategy opens up with a gap down, you guys know what to do. Those who are in America and States shares, I think it will open down with a gap and then start moving upwards. Surely we'll also see a volume enter in gold. How much time left? 1 minute. Sorry, we have 20 seconds, 10 seconds now. By the time you guys hear me, we're gonna get it. And here we are. Oh, it open up with a gap down. As I said, market open up with a gap. Only Nasdaq 100 up opened up with a positive side. So now only Nasdaq opened up with a gap. What do you say? Let me see. It's taking way too long. Yeah. We still have lots of area to cover, but as for now, we are safe. We're still looking at Bitcoin. You see the volume kicking in now. Gold is pushing up now. Okay, we see you. Okay, so Bitcoin is, it's true, man. It's going down. But if you don't have any trade open on Bitcoin, then you are likely caught up in a wrong side. Oh, sorry, you're slightly late. अरे यार. Damn, see that drop? See, it's going 89. See, I told you guys. Damn. Now I'm regretting closing my fucking sell on Bitcoin. Now I'm regretting it. Why, man? Why? Why did I close my sell? If I would have opened, let it run, I'll be so much profitable. Why? Why? Even I regret. Why? Damn it. But I didn't try to be greedy. Russell is dropping. Everything is melting now. This is it. Guys, this is it. This is it. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is it. This is the drop. The dump. The dump. Why did I close my Bitcoin sell? What the fuck? Now I'm gonna regret like a bitch. God damn it. Guys, hit the like button and subscribe. Damn. If this is a fake out breakout and we see a pullback, then god dang gold and Bitcoin. Gold is going up. Bitcoin, this I think this is a fake out if it goes back up. Yeah, if it comes back up. Because this is where I was saying the liquidity is sitting. And this was the area where I previously in November marked the zones at buy zones. So let's hope that it works. Yeah, this is the pullback. Patience is the key ingredient. Okay, this is the pullback. I think this was a fake out. Now it looks like a fake out. Remember this, I'm due this in London session. Maybe it goes back up 93 then falls down. I don't know. I don't know, but there is possibility. I made this over here, somewhere around here during London session, and look exactly what happened. This is the pullback. We need this 4 hourly green above 9800 in order to be this is Bitcoin. You know, if I had a sell, if I kept my sell running, I didn't took my profits earlier on, I would be in a position to decide in a more comfortable. But right now, I'm just like, wait, I have to wait. Okay, I'm seeing a pullback on Bitcoin. from 89,000 back to 9,600. Now all eyes on gold. Also, the gold is showing rejection around this area, but surely I'm still saying I'm gonna look at day one instead of 4 hourly now, because we still got 7 hours 18 minutes left for day one candle to close. And anything is possible. Bitcoin is pushing up now. All that liquidity sitting there gone with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin does a comeback, it's gonna surely move above 100k this time, because this is nearly a $1,200 retracement. 12,000. What the fuck am I saying? $12,000 drop on Bitcoin since 6 Jan up till today, 13 Jan. So in short, we saw around 8 to 10 days for the Bitcoin to drop from 102 to nearly 88,000 range, which is around $14,000 drop. And this is a discounted area to buy, keeping in mind the risk to reward ratio for entering a long at this area. I'm so tired, man. Look at the pullback on Bitcoin. Hilarious, man. Look at this. Look at this huge ass spin. And if it goes green, then holy shit. You gotta pump it up. Pump, 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 pata pata pump, pump, pump. Yep. The steroids are back, baby, back. Let me see what's happening on VIX. But you gotta pump it up. Pump, 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 pata pata pump, 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 pata pata pump, 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 pump. Here we go, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Pump, pump, pump. Pata pata pump, pump, pump. Alright, so what we learned from here was that around this area, around 88 to 90,000, we have key psychological support area. And Bitcoin made a rejection at this zone, buyers were present. And after quickly grabbing all the stop losses around this area, for those who entered around 91, 92, 90, after liquidating them, the gold price is moving towards 92,000. After the first milestone is gonna reach towards the demand area, the supply area of 93,000. Then carried on by key resistance area around 95899, nearly 95,899. Oh. It looks like finally we are getting a retracement. Guys, come on, get in a buy on Bitcoin. Don't be lazy. Come on, wake up, guys, wake up. Make your money intraday and walk away on Bitcoin. This is the area. Come on, guys, let's do this. Let's do this. I know. We still have one day one to close, and there's lots of concern if the next day one is gonna go up in bearish. But come on, it's going back up. So get in and a buy. Scalp your profits. This is a rejection, right? Probably wait till 1 hour. That means you guys have to wait till London close to actually get a direction. Okay, Bitcoin is pumping up now. So as gold, everything now. And I hope you guys survive. And you're gonna start seeing the profits. Let the profits come. Holy shit, let's go, baby, let's go. Back to back profits, baby. Pro Wolf Trader, back to back profits. From Karachi to Dubai to New York to London to Tokyo to Jamaica to Africa and all everywhere around the world. Let's go. You gotta pump it up. Pump, 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 pata pata pump, 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 pata pata pump, 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 pump. All it needs to do is break New York high, and we are Gonna go test Tokyo high. We have intraday low gold at 2663. Let's go, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, 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 pata pata go, 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 pata pata go, go. Let's go, baby, let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, Bitcoin gold. Oh my god. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. We are in profits. Let's go. Fuck yeah, boy. You buy when nobody wants to buy and you hold them. Let's go. Oh, this is the push. Holy shit. This is gonna push hard. Isn't it? My god is gonna push hard. This is the real deal. I hope it is. 7 minutes left for the 1 hourly candle to close. Gold moving. Gold current price at 2673. Bitcoin at 91,900 and increasing. Like and subscribe and share the channel, guys. Pro Wolf Trader 6 batch starting from 1st Feb. Premium packages available. Check them out. I have 5 packages, 1 weekly, 1 week, 2 week, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, and lifetime. All the fresh packages, premium packages are available. Premium signal is starting from 1 week till lifetime. So check them out. Holy shit, my alert is triggered. The pullback is real. But still, the danger is not close. Maybe if it goes up and drops down. I don't know, but we gotta wait, right? This was a liquidation area, but let me see what's happening. Now this is a new fucking disaster area. Now we have one more area to worry about. It's never is over, man. It's never over. Maybe this is a fake out. Maybe it comes back down. Anything can happen, right? That's how it is. Unpredictable. Still, it might be after breaking out, doing this retest over here, it might be like this. After this breakout, a retest and then break down like this. Or it might be A break above. There are lots of things to watch out. This looks interesting, guys. This looks interesting. Keep watching crypto chart. Guys, give me 5 minutes break. Till then, watch the charts. I'll be right back. Gold is moving up. BlackRock has just launched a new ETF, guys. New ETF coin. Please check it out. I'm going to do something. So I need some 5-10 minutes. So till then, just look at BlackRock new ETF coin. I'll be back. So guys, gold is still going up. Bitcoin is going up, baby. Bitcoin is heading up. So it's clear that we have a upward momentum. Let's see how long it holds on. Okay, guys, we have a retracement. Looks like that Bitcoin is preparing to move above, but let's keep our hopes high and our stop loss is tight. And as far as everything else is concerned, everything else is moving in the right direction. So give it an hour or two, wait till London closes, and things are going to start looking in the right way. Right now, everything seems like off the charts because market is going in extreme areas where anything can lead to a break of structures, but it seems like everything is being rejected at the same time. Bitcoin, gold, USD, JPY, and everything. So just wait for it. Give it an hour or two. And today is Monday, so take it easy. No cowboy pants. Do you understand what cowboy pant means? Means that no Ferrari, no Mercedes trade, take it easy. No noob, stupid ass stuff. Otherwise, I'm gonna whoop your ass. This is for all the guys who are in the premium group. If I see any guy in the premium group fuck up, I swear to God, I'm gonna do things with him. That was a nice drop and a nice rejection. We still have lots of opportunity, but surely a correction is worth it. So as soon as it closes above here, I'm gonna wait for a next possible pullback at the end of 45 minutes time frame, and I'm gonna enter on the pullback because that's the wisest thing to do. That's the way to trade it, brothers. It's been 1 hour 46 minutes. I'm live streaming. And I'm gonna stream for 2 hours, then I'll be off because I have stuff to do. I have batch 5 to take care of. I have work to do. I have places to go. Damn. It's a busy day. And I don't know if you are here, Ropal. We have a meeting too. Everything is in order, everything. Just wait out, be patient. And by the way, guys, remember in December I made a group regarding a millionaire group that we would sit down and we would talk about what you say meme coins. I have exciting news for you. The group 2 I'm announcing right now, and there is no restrictions, no requirements. All you have to do is message me that you want to be part of the millionaire group that consists of hunting down meme coins. And I'll have other stuff sorted out. Okay, so Bitcoin is going up. Gold will take some time, but it will surely go up. Give it some time. Everything else is okay. Okay. We are good. We are good. We are good on everything else. Okay, guys. I'm taking off because I have stuff to do. I have places to be. So I see you guys tomorrow, same time, London and New York. If you have any questions, you can message me up on Telegram and join the Discord community. The link is given in the bio. And please go sit in the free voice channel. If I see you sitting over there, I'll drag you guys in the trading floor, on premium trading floor. Till then, take care of yourselves. Keep making profit, fam. Grow the wolf pack. Like, share, subscribe the video. And make sure to watch the video again from the beginning. I did gold a weekly analysis because I was unable to upload the weekly analysis video. So make sure to watch the video from the start. After 15-20 minutes, I started gold analysis. Till then, take care of yourselves. I see you guys soon. This is Pro Wolf Trader signing off from New York session. We still have around 37 minutes left for the London close. As soon as London closes, things are gonna start looking really nice. As for now, Bitcoin is headed straight back up. Wait for 36 minutes. When London closes, wait for a drop on the pullback, enter a buy. This is the least tip I can give you guys. Till then, take care of yourself. I'm leaving now. I got stuff to do.